It didn't record the whole. Oh, Lord have mercy. Implementing a new system can be extremely stressful for a healthcare organization. There are many things involved within the process, such as workstations to install, databases to build, networks to test, users to train, data to convert, and procedures to write. Needs highlighted within St. Luke's Medical Center are that the organization needs to come up with ways to implement digital medical records. They plan on it by splitting into 3 phases. Phase 1 being to establish a clinical data repository. Phase 2 being to implement computerized physician order entry and nurse documentations. And Phase 3 to eliminate outside paper reports by implementing the document imaging system. Risk analysis strategy and how needs were met. Calculate the risk objective using different models for calculating risk. Quantitative equals threat times vulnerability. Develop a risk mitigation strategy based as a whole. Preventative controls. Countermeasures, different tiers and layers of mitigation and process governance. Assess the essential component of healthcare decision-making models, emphasizing the system developing life cycle. System development life cycle is a plan put into place to be able to implement and maintain EHR systems. This applies to CPOE because planning is a medical professional enters medication orders or other physician instruction electronically instead of on paper charts. Analysis reduces errors to poor handwriting or transcription of medication orders. Design is designed to copy the workflow of the paper chart, and implementation can be used in different departments. This applies to EHRs because patient-centered records that make information available automatically and securely to authorized users. Analysis. Key features of the EHR is that health information can be created and managed by authorized providers digitally and shared among other providers across more than one healthcare organization. Determine the impact technology has on cultural factors in healthcare provisions and decision making. Technology has become part of the everyday lives. In healthcare, technology means more effective and efficient quality of work. For this reason, it is essential that healthcare managers stay updated with information systems used in their facility. And some you will find are electronic medical records, electronic health records, personal health records, clinical information system, and administrative information system. Evaluate the roles and responsibilities of key players in strategic planning and continuous quality improvement. Health information system leaders, stakeholders are important because they are the ones who manage, analyze, implement, and improve the health information system. Some leaders are chief information officers, who are the highest IT executive and responsible for managing the organization's telecommunications systems such as nurse call system, overhead paging system, and phone system. The chief technology officer is responsible for guiding and implementing the organization's technical architecture. Assess enterprise-wide data roles in health information governance. There are 5 essential steps when creating information governance. Make sure that you have all the right stakeholders involved in the process. Do a comprehensive assessment. Conduct a aging assessment. Conduct an information profiling exercise. Evaluate and update your information policies. Compare and contrast the roles of technology and enterprise-wide information as it relates to data governance. The limitations of enterprise data are the fact that the information provided can be difficult for people to access and understand. Too much information is usually provided about health issues that make people not able to interpret them. All of the interpretations of health problems can be done and suggestions of the best strategies can be made, people still find it difficult to use. The opportunities are that long-term programs can be developed to collaborate developers and users, incubate ideas for new IT functions, and facilitate rapid cycling, testing, and evaluation. Summarize best practices and policies as they relate to data governance. Through the user data information concerning use and help IT safety is made available. Interoperability describes exchange of electronic health information. Partnerships are also occurring with the private sector to advance interoperability among systems by creating standards and promoting the sharing of data. Safety has been addressed through health IT systems, and information concerning it is shared amongst vendors and organizations. Explain the economic impact of a proposed system acquisition. A great benefit of CPOE is that it reduces errors due to poor handwriting or transcription of medication orders. A key feature of an EHR is that health information can be created and managed by authorized providers digitally and shared among other providers across more than one healthcare organization. In the long run, this will save the organization millions of dollars by no errors occurring and patient care being more effective and efficient. Questions and answers. What type of data information system can be implemented to the new system? How are they beneficial, and how would they know if the implementation was successful? There are many types of data that can be used, implemented. System down pat. When creating, implementing a new EHR system, what types of involvement are done? Okay, so the types of involvement include clarifying the problem, building consensus, considering options, choosing the systems, training staff. How do different types of information systems use an ED? What is the benefit to the ED? A health information system with secure connections to mobile devices are invaluable tools for efficient and effective provisions of health services. Health information systems rely on accurate and reliable medical data collected from well-defined medical processes to support high-quality EHRs.